How can we create a good perception for the general public while doing Sankirtan? The word Sankirtan we use for both public chanting, as we were just doing in Manchester, and for book distribution. And they're two different. The question may be answered differently for both of them. For chanting, public chanting, well, if we're actually blissful, that will impress more than others, more than anything, because people aren't blissful. They're just the opposite. Maybe we should be not too much concerned about making a good impression upon the public, in the sense that we're not out there to entertain them. We're there to share the holy names. Actually, I should ask Jivan Prabhu and Gargamuni Prabhu to answer this, because they do Harinam publicly in London and have been doing so for at least now you do it more than 100 days a year, don't you? Gargamuni? More than 200 days a year? 150 days a year. And Jivan? 365. That's not true, because you're not in London now. Caught you out. Okay, come and tell us. You don't think about it, you're just absorbed in the holy names. And that's really what we have to communicate, isn't it?
Jivan does about 50 days in London a year. He does 50 days.
50 days in London a year?
50 days on the streets around the country.
50 days in the streets around the country.
And then he does...
when he's pulled in to do any other driving, he would just do that as well.
Yeah.
And then go ad hoc. So I was 150
Yeah.
as well. Yeah. On top of him working full time as well.
Yeah. The main thing is to get out there and do it.
Yeah.
And Krishna will give the other things are peripheral. And Krishna will give the intelligence, how to communicate with people. I see Sakshi Gopal Prabhu, when he goes out, I can see he's very deeply, he doesn't reach out so much to the public, but he's deeply absorbed in himself. And then he'll speak something, preaching about the glories of the holy name. But he's deeply absorbed in experiencing the holy name himself. There are different approaches. Indrajumna he's another who's done so much public kirtan. And he makes it very interactive, you can say, with the public, the way to people. Giving prasadam. I was just thinking when we were in Manchester, we did little piece of prasadam to give. That's very good also. It's a big topic.